Hello friends, once again welcome to the channel M2MIB. I just came out for evening walk and it's a very cold windy day. It's around 5:15 in the evening. I'm in central Milton Keynes. And as you can see, hardly anyone is out. Even I have come alone. And left the kids at home with husband as it's too cold to bring them out. But I just love coming out solo short trips and to enjoy the nature. Watching nature is a beautiful treat to the eyes and to the mind. And I just love coming out like this in the evenings. See, no one is out. But in the front now we can see couple of people coming in a way. A girl is coming while cycling. Then a boy is coming. Behind that, a man is coming with a dog. Just see the view. It's beautiful. So on such cold days, I don't bring my kids out, and moreover it's COVID scenario, so I don't like that they come out frequently. But yes, they come once a week or in 10 days. Let's go further. They are standing behind us, so it's better we should go this way. Joggers are coming from this side. So do tell in your comment section what you do in your evenings. When you get time, you are free, husband is there to look after kids. So what would you like to do? Either I would like to sit in a window and to sip tea, or sometimes if weather is really good, I like to come out and I just enjoy it. So now I will go for a short walk. So, and like this video, subscribe to my channel and keep showing your love and support. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.